my client has fine wavy hair that gets thin at the ends. One row is perfect to fill in the ends and give her lightweight fullness. I'm using 2 bundles of Q Indian hand-tied wefts for this application. The Q Indian wefts should be flat ironed before application to remove any bends. Remember to never flat iron a Genius weft. The band will melt. This installation has 1 row of hand-tied Q Indian hair with 2 wefts applied to the same row. Q Indian hair has beautiful natural wave that blends perfectly with a client's wavy hair. Curly is also available. See link in description. The tools I use to create the beaded row are large silicone beads, 5.0 size, a loop tool, and red handle pliers. See link in description. Keep watching. You don't want to miss the sewing section. Clip the hand-tied wefts onto the beaded row. Leave the weft overhanging each of the end beads by just under 1/2 inch. This is your anchor spot. Hand-tied wefts can unravel if you cut them. It's best to fold the end that's too long. If you crease the folded end with a flat iron, it will lay very flat. Use 2 arm spans of thread for sewing. Thread your curved needle and make sure both sides of the thread are smooth and not twisted. Tie the 2 sides of the thread together with a knot at the end. To start sewing, insert the needle between the first and second bead. Pull the thread until only a few inches of the end is sticking out. Insert the needle in the end loop. Pull to tighten. Sew going forward with the thread held up and forward of the needle. Sew 4 to 5 stitches very close together at the end of the weft. You are stitching under the hair that is secured down by the first bead. This will keep the end of the weft secure. Now, after you have completed the last end stitch, you will stitch down and back, starting at the upper corner of the weft and coming out under the edge of the weft, going in the opposite direction. Continue sewing, holding the thread up and forward of the needle. The needle should come out under the thread. Make sure you are always sewing in back of the beaded row. The beauty of the chained row is that you can sew anywhere along the weft and each bead supports the next. When you get to the last bead, sew 4 to 5 close together stitches just like you did at the beginning. Then stitch down and back just like before, coming out in the opposite direction. To create a knot to tie off, leave the last stitch pulled only part of the way through. Cut off the needle, pull one side with the thread while holding the other end. You will see only one thread pulling through. Now tie both ends together 3 to 4 times. I added 5 half-bond Q Indian K-tips to each side to add extra fullness. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions about this technique, leave them in the comments below. And I'll see you in the next video.